Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best online Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. The Forex market abounds with a variety of online brokers, and choosing the right one is vital for your successful Forex trading. Each broker offers something different, and it is important to find the one that best suits your trading strategy, experience levels, and investment goals. Advanced traders will seek brokers with an enhanced suite of trading capabilities, and beginner traders will seek brokers with comprehensive educational resources and excellent customer support. Traders who are searching for a list of some of the best online Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reputable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best online Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a globally regulated multi-asset class broker which offers traders the option to trade on more than 40,000 instruments. Regulated in 15 jurisdictions, including authorization from the UK Financial Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Financial Services Agency of Japan, and many more. Specializing in Forex, futures, CFDs, commodities, Forex options, listed options, cryptocurrencies, and more. Available platforms are featured on the Saxo Go and Saxo Pro trading platforms, with access to third-party tools and APIs, which are supported as a web-based browser application and on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. Their accounts are available on Demo, Saxo, Corporate, and Professional accounts, with Classic, Platinum, and VIP tiers, which provide 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support services, lower prices, access to over 40,000 instruments, and more. Saxo Bank also provides their very own educational center, which delves into various trading topics, such as how-to video tutorials, their featured market call podcasts, webinars you can sign up to or watch on demand, a selection of written educational content that covers risk management, the psychology of trading, as well as courses in the financial markets for you to browse through if you are searching for any additional educational content with Saxo Bank. At number 4 on our list is Interactive Brokers. Interactive Brokers is an online financial broker that was founded in 1978 and is regulated by multiple financial authorities, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Interactive Brokers offers sophisticated trading technology and specializes in trading through stocks, options, futures, Forex, precious metals, bonds, and more. Platforms are available on Interactive Brokers' client portal web application, their very own trader workstation platform, IBKR mobile application with featured APIs, and are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Interactive Brokers offers a wide variety of account options to suit the needs of any trader, from individual, joint, and family accounts to small business accounts, advisors accounts, and more. Interactive Brokers also features their very own Traders Academy, which covers beginner, intermediate, and advanced trading courses a Trader's Insight panel, a variety of short educational videos, webinars that you can sign up to or watch on demand, and more if you are looking for any additional education with interactive brokers. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Dukascopy. Dukascopy is an online fully regulated financial broker located in Geneva, Switzerland, with operating offices in Zurich, Riga, Hong Kong, Kyiv, Moscow, and Kuala Lumpur. Regulated by the Swiss Ministry of Finance, Dukascopy offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, bonds, energies, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on the JForex and MetaTrader 4 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on LiveFX, current Swiss Bank, and Gold accounts, which are available in both live and demo accounts, with a variety of available account options for general Forex, binary options, and other trading. Dukascopy's accounts are tailored specifically to different types of trading and investment activity. Dukascopy also provides their very own learning center, which features beginner educational video tutorials that delve into topics such as platform functionality, various how-to guides, webinars you can sign up to, market news and analysis panels, as well as a large repository of written trading articles for you to browse through if you are looking for more trading education and to expand your knowledge with Dukascopy. At number 2 on our list is Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online financial broker founded in 2006 and offers a wide range of market instruments to trade. Trading 212 is a global broker that is based in the United Kingdom and specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Financial Supervision Commission, Trading 212 is the UK's #1 trading and investment platform and is home to over 1 million traders. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, guaranteed stop losses, negative balance protection, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Trading 212. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best online Forex brokers, we have Swissquote. Swissquote is an online fully regulated financial broker, regulated by the Swiss Federal Financial Market Supervisory Authority, and is a member of the Swiss Bankers Association. Founded in the year 2000 with its headquarters located in Switzerland, over 400,000 traders choose Swissquote as their preferred financial broker. Swissquote offers traders the ability to trade in Forex, CFDs, and options on a variety of asset classes, which include currency pairs, FX options, metals, indices, commodities and bonds. Featured platforms are available on Swissquote's Advanced Trader platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are provided on Standard, Premium, Prime, and Professional accounts with lower spreads, no commissions, expert advisors, access to over 200 Forex and CFD instruments, and more. Swissquote also provides their very own educational section, which features courses in financial trading, a variety of downloadable ebooks that delve into introductions, risk management, among other trading topics, webinars that you can sign up to, as well as a trading glossary for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with Swissquote. And those are some of the top 5 best online Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.